Hi, welcome to Adapt FS YouTube channel. Today Sandeep and Rakesh are going to show you how do you set up a MDS promo table. This is the most easiest promo table to set up. It comes in two parts only. As you see, the left and right all is attached together. You can print it on all the sides. All you have to do is place the top on this MDF board. Once the top is placed, you can put the top branding as well. The top branding is completely optional. Only if required you can use it, or else you can use this table as it is. As you see, this promo table setup took less than 1 minute.